forgot to prove the second identity. So in this case, I try to include this second identity here. All right, now let's take a look at this second identity. As usual, we make assumptions. A is the transformation matrix in this case. E is the eigenvector, and then whereas lambda is its eigenvalue here, right? So if you are ready, let me check that out. Okay, right. All right. Now let's start with the definitions of the eigenvalue and eigenvector. All eigenvalue and eigenvector should satisfy this equation here. So AE is the same as lambda E, where the lambda is its eigenvalue. Alright, now we will call this equation number 1 again. Now it's very obvious that AE can be represented as lambda E. Now the only challenging part is the inverse of matrix A here. How are we going to derive its eigenvalue property? So to do that, we're going to make use of equation number 1. We're going to introduce the inverse on the left hand side and the right hand side. So just like this. Okay. Now we know that when the inverse meet with its own matrix, it will turn into an identity matrix. And then this again, we can perform grouping here. That is the same as inverse A with E. Okay. And then from here, we can rearrange by putting the lambda to the other side there. So therefore, in this case, we can rewrite this as A inverse E is the same as 1 over lambda I E here. Right. Okay. Now, we know that the eigen value for identity matrix is actually a 1. So I'm going to write down this special identity. We know that AE is lambda E, and then we should also recognize that the for identity matrix, its eigenvalue is 1 here. So this is the second identity that you must remember. So from here, we can say that its eigenvalue here is basically the same as 1 over lambda E, because identity matrix multiplied with eigenvector is basically its eigenvector here. So therefore, we can say that A inverse with its eigenvector must be the same as 1 over lambda E here. And then now we are ready to prove this identity. So therefore, AE plus A inverse E here is equal to, now we know that this one is a lambda E from equations number 1. Then the second one is 1 over lambda E here. So by factorization, we can find out that this is, or this can be written as this. Hence proven. Alright, again, I hope that has been informative to all of you. Do remember to subscribe if you want to get more notifications of the latest video. Right? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again.